Welcome to Cloudpub. In this video tutorial, we have to see how to create a title in Cloudpub. In home screen, open Masters drop-down. Here you will get Master Title option. Go to Quick Search and search here Master Title. Now you will get Master Title screen here. In Master Title, every title or product which you buy or sell and for which you wish to keep inventory has to be entered in master title. If you want to make sale or purchase of any book or other item, then you must create a title in this master. Here you can select any of the options, like if you want to create new title, then click on this new button. Click on this edit button to edit any existing title. Right now it is disabled because no title is shown, so you can only click on edit after you find the title. Click on this find button to search for any specific title. There are multiple search options. You can search by book name, author, publisher, ISBN, etc. If you want to reset your header, then click on this reset header icon. System will respond after click on any of the action buttons. Quick search bar. Here you can quickly type name of the book or author or publisher or ISBN, then select the record of the title and show it. If you want to search for view or edit information about any title, then this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Asterisk sign. Labels which have asterisk sign are mandatory fields. You can save title without filling data in these fields. Then first of all enter the ISBN here. If any title doesn't have any ISBN, create your own unique code. ISBN is unique key for all the Cloudpub operations. Duplicate ISBNs are not allowed. If you have any title which is not in use currently or you don't want to show it while you make transactions and orders, then inactive from here. Then enter the description or book name which indicates actual name of the book. Using this image option, you can upload book image from here. Additional book code. In case if you have any internal code, then enter here. Titles also. Then moving on, short description. In this field, if you want add some short description about the title, then enter here. Then publisher name. Choose publisher name using this drop down. You can also type the first few characters to quickly search in the drop down. But in case that publisher is not present in this drop down, you can have to click on this publisher name hyperlink. By click here, system will open master publisher screen in another window. You can create new publisher in master publisher screen and come back to continue creating your title. Please select the category of the book which you are adding from the drop down. If you don't see your desired category, click on this hyperlink to open master category screen and create new category. You can define books category yourself. Some of the examples for the title category are fiction and non-fiction. This field is different from subject field. For example, adult fiction in fiction can be a subcategory. This field is not compulsory. Then select the subcategory. If you are using Cloudpub for website data, Then using this show on web option, if you can click on this checkbox, this book will shows on website. If you want to build an integrated website, then contact the STS marketing team. Author name. To enter the author name of the book, just type the author name here. Existing matching authors are shown in the drop down below. If you don't find the author in the drop down, enter the name and press enter. System will automatically create this author and this will be added to the drop down next time. Pub Plus allows you to enter multiple authors of each book. It is very simple. After adding first author, press enter, then select second author, then third. If the language of the book is not coming in drop down here, you can add it from language master. Then select the language of the book. After that, choose the pub year. If you want to enter the regional description, example Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, then enter here. Availability. Is this book available easily? And what's the status of the book? Choose from here. If it turns on this option, it gives you an alert when the title stock reaches below the minimum and maximum level. You can select the minimum and maximum limit of the book from this min max option on this book. Enter the sales currency, sales rate, and discount for the item in these data fields. The sales price entered here will automatically be displayed while you are entering a sales invoice. This is a compulsory field and it should be filled in very carefully. Then enter the purchase currency, price, and discount of the item in these data fields. The purchase price entered here the purchase price entered here will automatically be displayed while you are entering a purchase invoice. Then enter the foreign currency, price, and discount of the item in these data fields. The foreign price entered here will automatically be displayed while you are entering a foreign invoice for export sales. Select the subject and subsubject name, then add to the list. If you want to add new subject and subsubject, then you have to go to masters on subject and subsubjects. You can add multiple subjects for a single title. Cloudpub also supports the thema subject, which is worldwide standard for subjects. If you want to maintain your title master according to the thema subject, then please contact STS Senior Technical Team. Important info. Here you can enter the rest of the important information of the book like title, edition, weight, volume, pages, university board, medium, course, branch, class. All these fields are optional, but if you enter them, it will useful for you. Text. In India, books are not text, but if you have the GST number, then you should enter the GST exempt tax code on the books. If you deal in any item other than books and these are taxable, then please ensure that you give the correct tax details of the item here. Cloudpub allows you to use this option when GST enabled in company and set GST details of title here. First of all, enable this checkbox of tax applicable, then enter the default HS code here. The HSN code is compulsory for your returns and invoices. Please talk to your CA and enter the correct HSN code. Choose whether the item being entered is goods or services. Then select what's the type of tax. choose from here and select the GST code. If you sell item where you don't charge tax after MRP, then you will click this checkbox. For example, if one of your items is worth 100 rupees and there is 5% tax on it, but you have to take 100 rupees from the customer, not 105, then you will tick this checkbox. When you purchase the item, is the tax levied separately or is it included in the purchase price? If you want to include tax in your purchase price, then click on this checkbox, your fields option. In Cloudpub, you can set some fields according to your own. You can add the name of those fields as well and its details as well. These fields labels are settled from company setup under the master UDF option. These are used when you want to add more fields. These are helpful if you want to show in invoice format this field and many more uses. Supplier tab. You can select that multiple suppliers name which suppliers can deal with this title. After adding everything, please press this save button. A system works well only if the data is inserted properly. Thanks for watching this video.